Well, we've had a little snow here in New Jersey, and we're going to go out and take a look at the snow. Well, I'm going to take a look at the snow. You're going to stay here on your snuggie and just chill, all right? You stay here, and I'll go out and look at the snow, all right? Is that all right with you? Okay. As you can see here, it's snowing pretty good. Probably about 8 inches here in Trenton, New Jersey. And we're just going to take a little walk around here. Let's check things out here on the street. Windy, snowdrifts, cold, and visibility 0, no cars on the road. Here, check out the newspaper. Nothing in the news interesting. Now we're going to head back, wait for it to stop snowing, and then take a nice walk around. Here we are, South Broad Street, Trenton, New Jersey. And we can see the snow coming down. Let's take a little walk around here. Not a car on the road. The snow is back down. Still can't drive on them. They're very slippery. One car coming behind me. Looks like the snow's slowing down a little. Staying out here in front of the Kentucky Fried Chicken. Slowing down a little. That's Diner right behind me. Out here today, very cold, about 30 degrees, and coming down slightly, and to say, doesn't look too bad. A lot of drifts out here. Can't tell how many, maybe 8 inches. But it's too cold out here. I'd rather be in California. Getting tired of this old, snowy weather out here. Well, it's nighttime, and it's dark out here, and it's cold out here, and I'm going to say this is the end of this video because I've had enough of this. Heading for home now. That's just about it. Until the next time.